In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your phone number on an iPhone. So what you want to do is you want to open up Settings app, then you want to scroll down until you see Phone, then click on it. And you can see my number. Basically, this is my number, and you can edit it, save it, change it, do whatever with it you want. But usually, if you insert a SIM card, this number should change automatically. But this is the way you can do it, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.